In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Ads account from an individual to an organization account with the big updates in 2025. Whether you're managing ads for your own business or on behalf of multiple clients, this little tip will streamline your efforts by ensuring you're set up as an organization account, which provides added features and insights tailored for businesses. So let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to begin by navigating over to the Google Ads homepage. You can do this by typing ads.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you've landed on the Google Ads homepage, your next step is to click on the Sign In button. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Signing in will direct you to your Google Ads home, where you can access and manage all your advertising campaigns in one place. If you're managing more than one account, make sure you select the correct account that you want to switch from an individual to an organization. Now here's where the primary change happens. Unlike previous quick self-service options due to new updates, converting an account requires a manual switch via Google Ads support. This is to ensure data integrity and proper setup for your organization account. It may seem like an extra step, but it's necessary to ensure everything is set up correctly on the back end. Once you're on your account page, you'll need to reach out to Google Ads support to facilitate this switch. The best way to do this is by clicking on the help icon. You can usually find this as a little question mark or a similar symbol, often located in the top menu bar or as a floating button on your dashboard. Clicking this will take you to the help center, where you can find all sorts of guides and contact options. When contacting support, be sure to provide them with details about your current account and mention your intent to switch to an organization account. Prepare any relevant organization details they might need. Patience is key here, as the support team will guide you through this transition and make sure the switch is completed seamlessly. And there you have it. By making this change, you open up new functionality tailored for businesses, which can ultimately help drive more impactful advertising results. Remember, as technology and tools evolve, staying updated with the latest procedures and functionalities is crucial for maximizing your business's online presence. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful for all your advertising efforts.